Hi everybody, my name's Ed Morris and I'm Technical Manager for Technic. I just wanted to do a short video today where we're going to talk about our 5450 series of Dirtmag Mini. Just want to go through sort of features and benefits and some of the operating functions of the valve itself. First of all, in the installation of the valve, it's very flexible in the way it can be installed. So the body is fully rotational, so depending on which way you want to have it installed, the body can be rotated so you've got the collection chamber at any orientation. Now one of the really clever functions of this valve, or feature of this valve itself, is the way the valve can be installed into the system. We have a very easy and simple quick release system for the valve, so it's just a small circlip in there. And what that has to do is pull the valves out. Now we can have this installed in two different ways. So we have it straight through installation, as we can see here, so the water passing all the way through. But we can also have it in what we call an L pattern. So we can take this valve out, remove here, and put the valve in here. So it gives us very much flexibility in the way that the valve can be installed. Now, one of the good features or good benefits have that the third port, so the two ports we're taking for in and out of the water, the third port is actually an air vent. So should this be installed in L pattern, we can have an air vent sitting on the top of the system to ensure that we remove any air that could be trapped in the valve itself or within the system. So installation wise, very, very flexible. When it comes to the functions, we have a dual attack really when we're starting to clean the system. So first of all, within this body itself, we have a mesh filter, like a gauze filter. And what that does, it collects all the sludge and all the dirt particles or detritus which sits inside the system itself. But also within most systems that have got steel rads or steel pipe, we're going to have some kind of metallic content within that system itself. So we've introduced a magnet or a strong magnet within a dry pocket to capture all that magnetic content as well. So as the water passes through, we create a low pressure zone. The heavy dirt and the soil in the system collects in the chamber. The metallic particles catch across the magnets and they all collect in this chamber here. So once we know we've been running the system, we'll run it for a period of time, we're going to need to clean it. So that is very simple. So what we can do is we can isolate from the system. We can remove the magnet, so it's a dry pocket, remember, so that means that all the metallic content now is dropped into this collection chamber, where now we can remove the cap, simply install your hose connection onto there, put your hose into a bucket or outside. On the bottom of your cap itself is the tool to open and close the valve. You can use a flat-headed screwdriver if need be. So simply you open that up and you draw the water through. You can reopen it to the system and you're just drawing system water through, but you're forcing all the dirty water out of the system. So if you haven't disconnect anything, you want to take it apart, you can carry out routine maintenance without taking the valve apart. Should you want to carry out a bigger clean or a bigger maintenance, it's very simple. Again, unscrew the body. We then have the collection chamber, where we can remove the gauze filter, wash that under a tap, swirl the inside of the body, simply reinstall it back together again once it's all clean, ensuring it's nice and tight, O-rings are all in place so we've got no leakages. And then once that's done, again, reintroduce it to the system, open the water up and away you go and you're good to go for another period of time there. So loads of key features on there. There's plenty more if you head over to our website. There's a couple of more videos on there regarding the Dirtmag Mini, our data sheets and all our IOMs as well. So head over to the website for more information. Thank you for watching.